Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to adjust the sound volume on your Alienware Aurora 16 laptop. To change the sound volume on your laptop, you either have to click on these three icons to open the control center and then move this slider to the left to decrease the sound level and to the right to increase it. And you can also use the speaker icon to mute and unmute your speaker, or you can also use the shortcuts or rather the specific keys for adjusting the sound volume, which are located right here above your numpad. So we can press this button to increase the sound volume, this one to increase the sound volume, and this one to mute and unmute the speaker. And that's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.